This week's episode of Biking with Panda shows you how to destroy a $2,000 drone by being a total idiot. I also showcase some bonus footage here of murdering a $500 drone. I think I just have bad luck with these things, and I make poor decisions like flying in strong winds. Oh shit! It broke pretty fucking good. Oh damn. Several months ago, I decided to build a folding hexacopter for reasons. I don't really remember why I chose a hexacopter now, but I thought it was a good idea at the time. I just knew I wanted it to hold a real GoPro and not the whack camera that came with the Xiaomi. Did I mention that it folds? Kinda? I found the perfect spot and mounted this thing on the wall in my office using pegboard. The only reason it fits is because of its folding GPS mast. But at least I can keep everything in one place. One of the reasons I built my own craft was so I could use standard batteries. They're cheap, readily available, and thus you have plenty of backups. Charging them is standard. Just use a cheap balance charger one at a time, or an expensive one could do them all at once. If you've ever seen drone videos on YouTube, you've probably heard of first-person view. These goggles let me see what GoPro sees via a 5.8 GHz radio. It's pretty disorienting, and because it's illegal to fly in Canada without a spotter, I use it only on a tripod for framing the shot. This drone may be the perfect metaphor for my life. It's an ambitious project with lots of investment. Many needless setbacks have kept it grounded, incapable of achieving flight. It's a very expensive cage of my own design. Things were never so much about the drone, but the experience. To fly away from issues down here on Earth that we face on a daily basis, from personal or worldly issues that cause anxiety, to express myself in an art form. Who cares about the drone? Honestly, nobody. I care about the feeling. And apparently, having the props on backwards prevents it from flying, and building your own drone requires some troubleshooting. But after fixing all of that, the craft did lift off and fly. And let me tell you, boy, did that feel good. I mean, it's taken months to get to this point. It's actually been a bit scary. All along, not sure it would even work once it's all put together, because I'd never done this before. I sort of hated the frame too because building it was so difficult. In hindsight, I could have done more research and found an easier build, but that's not my way. I tend to dive into new projects head first, and sometimes I forget to check for water. The craft flew okay, but it sort of drifted. The landing was sketchy, and I really wanted to get a better shot on a nicer day. So I took it out to an open field and tried the same exact liftoff when something malfunctioned. It flew up very high into the sky, out of control, without me even asking it to, spinning around and flipping upside down before torpedoing back to the earth in a very violent crash landing. Well, that's not good.
Critical telemetry lost.
Lesson learned? No. Carbon is super loud when it snaps. The frame is basically destroyed, but most of the other parts seem okay, if not compromised from the impact. The drone was super heavy and I was actually afraid it would land on someone or something expensive, ending my fun for good. I was lucky it didn't go worse, and it nearly caught fire on the walk back. It was, kind of on fire. Well, I guess I'll just get my fat butt. Wait. Nope. It has been a while. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Jeez, they were at 15 psi. No wonder I was feeling so slow yesterday. 40. Whew. Such a nice day. Howdy. Right. Whoa. It's a bit of a balancing act. And the bridge is still out. Oh, my favorite obstacles are back. Hell yeah. Oh, God. Holy shit. This is fucking gone. It's just gone. The trail is gone. Okay, so like the trail used to go up through here. Now it's gone. I really liked riding along the water before, but now it seems like I will die. I mean, you could do it. It's just that right here, I'm gonna have to move my bars over, and I don't know what the hell this ground is made out of. I mean, look at it. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's kind of a mess down here. Oh, can't stop. Oh. That was a bit soft. If you made it this far, you might enjoy some of my other episodes. Be sure to subscribe and sign up for Patreon if you want more. I'm starting a truck camper build and can't wait to share it with you. But until next time, you know what to do. Go ride.